Can you skate? Oh, Junior's trying to skate. Let me see. Oh, you do a little bit. Good job. Oh, you fall down. No, you just gotta go slow. You just gotta go slow. Oh, Junior. What's up? Charging. 2 minutes. You doing good? No, you just go slow. Start off slow, then you get better when you get older. Oh.